Ever pondered about actualizing your ideas? How to Begin, Start Doing Something That Matters by Michael Bungay Stanier provides direction. Unlock personal potential with this guide. Set worthy goals. It's not only setting, but creating strategies and insights. So the three key concepts from How to Begin. Let's explore. First up, we have the concept of actionable strategies. The key to turning ideas into real goals lies in aligning your professional ambitions with your personal values. But how do we put this concept into practice? The first step is to define a worthy goal. This isn't just any goal. It's a goal that sends a thrill down your spine. A goal that's important enough to fight for. And yes, a goal that's daunting enough to make you pause. It's this blend of excitement and challenge that guides your actions. Next, you build on the draft of your goal. Use actionable verbs and consider dimensions like sphere, scale, and class. Don't hesitate to talk through your idea with a close friend. Use the Goldilocks zone test to make your goal just right. Not too easy, not too hard, but something that pushes you to your limits. The final step is to take small steps forward and test frequently. Launch small-scale experiments to test your assumptions and get a real-world feel of the requirements for your goal. Commit to practice. Use testing strategies to mitigate risks and ensure your progress stays aligned with your vision. By following these steps, you can turn your ideas into real, actionable goals. These strategies aren't just about achieving your goals. They're about embarking on a journey of personal growth and making a difference in the world. Moving on to the second concept, community collaboration. Community collaboration is about harnessing the collective power of diverse perspectives and abilities to achieve shared goals. It's about moving beyond the confines of individual capabilities and embracing the strength found in unity. The first step to practice this concept is to engage supporters. Surround yourself with a diverse mix of individuals. Steady warriors who are reliable and consistent, healers who bring harmony and balance, and visionaries who inspire with their forward-thinking ideas. This diversity not only enriches the collaborative environment, but also fosters innovative solutions to challenges. Next, make use of feedback and measurement. Don't shy away from asking for input from those who know you well and can provide an insightful viewpoint. This feedback is invaluable as it helps align your idea with community needs and enhances its feasibility. Lastly, consider the context of your goal. Is it a team effort, or does it involve the whole organization? Does it impact a single team or the entire community? Understanding these dimensions will help you tailor your approach, fostering collaboration and unity. Community collaboration is not just about getting things done, it's about building relationships, fostering mutual respect, and creating a sense of belonging. It's about realizing that we are all part of a larger whole and that our actions, no matter how small, can make a significant impact. With these steps, you can mobilize joint efforts and work in unity towards shared goals. Last but not least, we have the concept of personal satisfaction and community impact. This concept underlines the symbiotic relationship between individual fulfillment and the ripple effect it can create in the community. To put this into practice, it's important to weigh the pros and cons of maintaining the status quo. What are the gains and losses if you choose not to pursue your goal? This analysis can shed light on the potential for personal and communal growth that might be left untapped. Next, recognize the internal and external benefits of your goal. These could range from tangible rewards like financial gain or positive reviews to intangible benefits such as nurturing your innate human needs and enhancing personal qualities. Understanding these benefits will help you see the value your goal can bring, not just to you, but also to the wider community. Finally, reflect on past behaviors and current hindrances. Analyzing your previous approaches to big goals and identifying current behaviors that might be slowing you down can be illuminating. By understanding what might have stopped you before and what might be taking energy away from your efforts now, you can better align your actions with what will lead to personal satisfaction and positive change in your community. By understanding and applying these steps, you can increase both your personal satisfaction and your positive impact on the community. And that's a wrap on our dive into 3 pivotal ideas from How to Begin: actionable strategies, community collaboration, and personal satisfaction and community impact. I hope you found them as insightful as we did and are excited to apply them. Ever wished the wisdom of your favorite books could seamlessly translate into your daily life? Jump on board the Idea Express. Each review comes with 3 tailor-made, actionable steps drawn right from the book's core insights. steps you can instantly infuse into your personal and professional life. Subscribe to Idea Express today and become an Express learner tomorrow.